Greetings from Anukelka's Python Academy. Welcome back, friends. So today we are taking one problem statement based on SQL from Lead Code. So problem statement number is 570. Manager with at least 5 direct reports. Okay. So basically SQL schema is given to you as the name of the table is employee with the column name, ID, name, department, and manager ID. So ID is of integer type, name as in varchar, department is a varchar, and manager id is a integer type. Okay, so id is a primary key column with a unique value for this table. Each row of this table that indicate the name of employee and their department, and id of the manager. Id is the manager id. If the manager id is null, that means employee does not have their manager. That means that itself employee itself is a manager. No employee will be the manager of themselves. So for that we have to write a solution to find the manager with at least 5 direct reports. Okay, and you have to return the result table in any order. Okay, so likewise example is given to you, like id 101, name of the employee is John, their departments are A, and they are null. That means John is a itself manager. They are not going to report any kind of manager. Dan, employee id is 102, they are working in the same department, and the manager id is 101, and 101 name of the 101 is a manager id, and the name of that manager id is John. That means John is a manager of Dan, and all the following employees have the same manager id. That means John is the manager of all the following employees starting from 102 id to 106. Okay, so basically we have to find out the manager ids. So let's try to write the code. So for that, first we will write select from employee t join then select we want manager id. So for that we have to write manager id from employee table. So where manager id is null, where manager id is not null. So for that we have to apply group by clause and apply the group by manager id. Having count star which is greater than at least 5, so which is greater than 5. Okay, so that should be given as in alias m on e dot id equal to m dot id. So m is the alias of the another table, that is employee, and their primary key is manager id, so for that we have to write manager id followed by the same semicolon. So let's try to run this whether we will get manager id or not. So let's see we will get expected result or not. Runtime error is there. You have error in SQL syntax. Check the manual that employee. Select. So for that we have to get the name of that employees. So for that we have to write name column from the employee table. So alias of that employee name is E. Wrong answer, we are getting expected name. So here we are getting all those employee ID whose manager ID is same, and they are whose manager ID is same, and they are occurring more than 5 times. So if you see in manager ID column 101 is a manager ID, they are occurring 5 times. So we have written the uh, name of that employee, that is a John. Likewise here we are getting John as an output, which is the name of employee. They and the 101 ID whose name is John, they are occurring in the table more than five or more than 5 times. Okay, likewise we are getting the output. So I hope you had cleared this problem statement. If you have any doubt regarding this problem statement, please do comment us and ask your trainer. So thank you, this is of today. Have a nice day.